What's up, adventurers? Today, we have something truly special. This is the 2025 Cross-Country Camper Tricycle. A game changer for nomads, cyclists, and off-grid explorers alike. Imagine combining the freedom of a bike, the comfort of an RV, and the efficiency of an electric vehicle. Stick around because we're diving deep into the features, testing it in real-world conditions, and answering the big question: is this the future of mobile living? Let's ride. First off, let's talk design. The 2025 Cross-Country Camper Tricycle is built for both urban and off-road adventures. The lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame ensures stability without weighing you down. And check this out, integrated solar panels. These power your onboard systems, making it a fantastic option for eco-conscious travelers. Compared to older camper trikes, this baby is sleeker, more aerodynamic, and packed with smart features. Alright, let's talk performance. This beast runs on a powerful 1500W electric assist motor, giving you a smooth ride even on tough inclines. And with a max speed of 28 miles per hour, it's one of the fastest camper trikes on the market. It also comes with a digital control panel, real-time speed, battery life, solar charging status, GPS, and even a security alarm system. You're never left guessing about your trip status. And speaking of power, this thing runs on a lithium-ion battery that gives you up to 100 miles on a full charge. Plus, with regenerative braking, every stop helps extend your range. Now let's check out the living quarters. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Camper Tricycle is incredibly well designed for comfort. You get a foldable bed, built-in ventilation, LED lighting, and enough storage for a long road trip. For off-grid survivalists, you'll love this. It has a mini kitchenette with a water purification system, a small stove, and even a collapsible sink. Cooking in the wild just got easier. Host rides the trike through different environments: traffic,